elephant charges safari jeep and backs off last second. A tourist video records an intense standoff between a charging elephant and a jeep, ending with the animal turning away dramatically. Massive dust devil spins across construction site. A time-lapse captures a powerful dust devil swirling through an active construction zone, throwing debris into the air. Avalanche caught racing toward skiers and missing them. A skier's camera captures a terrifying avalanche speeding toward a group, only to stop just meters away.